Understanding, Gathering Intel, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, gathering intel. This phrase is not only useful but also quite common in various contexts, including movies, news, and everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. Gathering intel is a phrase that comes from the world of espionage and military operations. Intel is short for intelligence, which in this context refers to information of strategic value. When someone is gathering intel, they are collecting valuable information or data, usually to make informed decisions or prepare for future actions. This phrase has transcended its military origins and is now used in business, academia, and everyday life. The phrase, gathering intel, originated in military and intelligence contexts. Historically, it referred to the collection of strategic information about enemies or competitive forces. Over time, the term evolved to be used in a broader sense. Now, it applies to any scenario where collecting detailed and specific information is crucial, from corporate decision-making to academic research. Let's look at some examples to understand how gathering intel is used in everyday language. In a business meeting, before we enter this new market, we need to spend some time gathering intel on our competitors. Planning a surprise party, I'll gather some intel on what she likes to ensure the party is a hit. In a university setting, for my thesis, I'm gathering intel on consumer behavior trends. It's important to note that gathering intel does not imply anything illegal or unethical. It's about collecting information openly and legitimately. Also, it's different from casual information gathering. It implies a more systematic and purposeful approach. So, that's all about gathering intel. Understanding this phrase can add depth to your English comprehension and enable you to use it appropriately in various contexts. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.